You have to try this simple way to chop an onion very finely. Here's the normal way that I was taught in restaurants and in culinary school, and you were probably taught this as well. Onion gets cut in half like normal, of course. If I could just get the fucking skin off. Okay. Sometimes this is a pain in the ass for me. I don't know why. If anyone else has the same issue, let me know. Okay, anyways. So this is the typical way that we were all sort of taught. Usually it would be your sideways swipes and then your downwards. And then you just chop. And that's not as fine as you'd want it. You could get it finer with this method, but what I'm gonna show is an even easier way and probably more controlled way of doing it. Now, onion gets cut in quarters. And then what we can do here is split her up into some more controllable sections, like so. So now we've got this little petal situation, and now we could just sort of let it rip. Give her a little turn. And now we've got a much finer. Hi. So yeah, see? Much finer, much easier control. Of course, you could just chop it quick like this if you want, but if you want to have some more control, that's a easier way to chop the onion. Quarter it, do the petals, take your time, practice makes perfect, and that's it. Bye-bye.